Okay, in this example, we're going to declare an array. I'm going to ask the user um, to enter the number of hours worked by employees. I'm going to store that information in array, and I'm going to display the contents of the array. Okay, so here you can see I've got a constant declared number of employees is 6. Here's an array of 6 integers called hours. I'm going to ask the user to enter the hours worked by 6 employees, right? That's my constant. And here I have a for loop. Now, if you look at this for loop, this is just my loop counter variable. It's going to start at 0. It's going to continue while it's less than the number of employees. So it's going to go from 0 to 5, which is what we needed to do if we have 6 elements in our array, because the indices should range from 0 to 5. So for the 6 elements, I'm going to fill up the array, and then I'm going to display the contents of the array using a for loop. So notice this for loop is really the same as this. It's going to go through 6 times, okay? And it's going to output those elements. So let me just run this, and we'll show you what it does. It's taking just a minute. Sorry. Okay, so, put in 10 hours, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, and the hours you entered, and then the number of hours display here. Okay, um, so it's important that we determine how many elements have to be in the array, that when we declare the array, we give it that initial size. The counter in our for loop is going to start at 0, because the first element that we're going to store information in is hours sub 0, right? That's the first element in the array. And you want to make sure that your counter then continues while it's less than the number of employees or the size of the array, because we want our for loop to go from 0 to 5.